In our previous class we discussed on classification crops according to their forms. So today our topic is classification of crops according to their lifespan. Crops can be grouped according to their lifespan as follows: annuals, biennials, perennials, annual crops. Annual crops are crops that grow and live for about 1 year. Maize, okra, onion and carrot, yam, maize, rice, groundnut, millet, garden egg, sorghum, cassava and potato are examples of annual crops. Biennial crops. Biennial crops are crops that grow and live for about 2 years. Pepper, alligator pepper, plantain, sugarcane, pineapple and pawpaw are examples of biennial crops. Perennials crops. Perennial crops are crops that grow and live for more 2 years. Oil palm, cocoa, mango, citrus, guava and cola are examples of perennial crops. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.